So, caramel, vanilla, and toffee. Is that what wild turkey tastes like? Let's find out.
I'm a complete beginner looking to improve my palate and learn more about bourbon, so come along with me.
Hi, everybody. Bourbon beginner here, and working to improve my palate and learn more about bourbon. Now, I've seen a lot of scent kits in online to that have different scents that you can smell and kind of say, okay, this is caramel, so what does it smell like? Or this is orange peel, what does it smell like? Or chocolate, and just different tasting notes that you'll get in bourbon, so you can kind of get in your mind, okay, that's what it should, that's what that is, so that when you taste that in bourbon, you'll recognize it. But they're very, very expensive. And I'm talking anywhere from $80 to $200 for a kit of, 12 to 20 of these little tiny bottles of scents. And I thought there's got to be a less expensive solution. So went online and I found this and this from Amazon. And there are two different little kits. This one's from a company called LorAnn, and it has 12 little bottles of stuff like caramel and English toffee and coconut, and there's several in this selection that look really good, like marshmallow. There's chocolate. There's let's see. There's chocolate. Let's see what some of them are. Peanut butter. I know that there's some bourbons that are supposed to have a real peanut forward note, so maybe that would be a good one. But these are little scent bottles, and these are used to make candy. People use to make candy, and they also you can use it actually to flavor water. These are, edible. They're very, very concentrated, but they do smell like what they say. They're different flavors. Like this one's caramel, and I'll just open it up, and it's just a little bottle, and just kind of smell it. Oh yeah, that smells like caramel candy. And it's very strong, it's very sweet, and it smells really good. Okay, and this one is English toffee, which is close to caramel, I guess, but different. So let's go and smell it. Yep, looks kind of like a Heath bar. So, okay. And this little kit wasn't $80 and it wasn't $200. It was actually about $18 for these 12 of these little bottles. And it's available from Amazon. And they had different kits or different selections. And I picked the selection number 3, which had caramel and toffee and some other ones that sounded really good. I did find that this same manufacturer, you can pick your own 12 flavors, so you don't have to have, something that they are doing for candy making. If you want caramel and toffee, and then you want orange and banana and some of the other flavors that they have, you can pick 12 that you pick for about $20, so about $2 more. But they send them to you this nice little box, and these are nice little bottles. They're glass. They're very, very cool. But I'm going to start using these to improve my palate and just learning these flavors and these scents and getting those kind of ingrained. This is what this smells like. So when I can recognize that in bourbon. Now this one is from another company, and this kit, and it was about the same. It was about $20 online. But this one is a lot more fruit forward. Let me tell you, when you open it, you can smell it. And let me get my glasses real quick, and I can tell you what some of these are. Because the writing on these are just very, very tiny. So this one is vanilla ice cream. So we'll go ahead and test it. and they are like a little built-in dropper. And I might pop the little droppers off. But oh yeah, it smells like ice cream. It smells like vanilla ice cream. And there's 24 of these, but they're plastic bottles. So I'm a little concerned that when I open this thing up, I can smell just fruit, and it smells just like all kinds of fruit. So I don't know if there was something when they filled them. Maybe they got a little in the box. That's orange, but it's a pretty good value for as many as you get. There's 24 of these in this little box here. But to tell you the truth, I really like this company and this option better. And I'll put links to both of these in the comments if you want to take a look at it. And you can make your own tasting kit and scent kit if you wanted to do that. Or you could do what I had started, which is go through your pantry. You got vanilla extract, and my wife had this corn tortilla stuff, and banana extract, and orange. And I even took some stuff and made like a little kit from some little samples, like oak, from my wood shop. And there's black pepper. Yeah, that's black pepper, all right. So you might have a lot of stuff around your house. There's chocolate and banana chips that you could start your own scent kit, or go ahead and just order something like this for about 20 bucks. And I'm probably going to put a lot of this in a cigar box and just keep that and use these, maybe these two, to improve my nose and so I can recognize some of the flavors in bourbon. All right, let's get to the fun part of the video, and that is my palate improvement. So this week I've been drinking Very Old Barton. It's a 86 proof, and it's very smooth, and just been really enjoying it. I mean, this is very enjoyable. It's very inexpensive. It's like 13 bucks for the bottle, so it's very, very inexpensive and actually very good. And I'm still smelling fruit. To me, it smells like pears, but that might not be what it really is. And I'm going to use my scent kit that I've just got to help develop my nose and hopefully be able to distinguish these different flavors. So let's go ahead and give it a sip, because that's what I'm waiting for. And it's really good. It goes down easy because it's only 86 proof, but it's just very mellow. And it does have that, of course, the caramel, the fruit. To me, it's pears and vanilla. But I think the caramel and vanilla, that's really just about in every bourbon. So, but I've really been enjoying this. So let's go ahead and put it over ice. I just got a rocks glass with a single cube of ice. And we'll try that. Brings out a little more of the caramel, for sure. It's really good. Really good. All right. So that's Very Old Barton. Okay. So, been drinking that for a week. So now I'm going to move on to a new bourbon. And we're going to move to Wild Turkey 101. And this is a favorite of, I guess, the bargain bourbons for a lot of people. It's 101 proof. and let's give it a try. And I did read on the bottle, and that's why I started it out, because it says it's got toffee and vanilla and caramel flavor. So it's kind of cheating, I guess, because but it's on the bottle. So let's go ahead and give it a sniff and just see how we like it. I'm not really sure what that is that I'm smelling. I am smelling the alcohol in it. Don't know. I really don't know. Let's give it a taste. It's kind of spicy. And I think it did say this is a high rye, and it says it's aged 4 to 6 years, or is it average of 4 to 6 years, something like that. But it's got a little, it's spicy, but it's not really overpowering. I mean, it's not just making me cough or anything like that. It's very good, but different. Maybe peppery. Maybe that's what I'm tasting. Maybe that's the elusive baking spices that I keep hearing about. Yeah. Oh my gosh, am I actually tasting baking spices? Wow, that would be fun. I would say this does have a longer finish than the old Barton, because it does kind of stay with you. Kind of gives you like a little warmth. So let's put it on ice and just see how we like it over a block of ice. If anything, it tastes like that might have made that spice come out a little more. But it's definitely good. That's good bourbon. All right. So what I'm going to do is I will drink this, and you see, this is one I already had up in the shelf. I'll go ahead and drink this guy for the rest of the week, or not, for the full week coming up, and then come back next week, and I'll do another tasting and see if my palate's changed, to see if I'm tasting anything new in it, and then pick a new bourbon. If you want to do this with me, please do. It doesn't have to be the bourbon that I'm using. You can pick whatever bourbon you have. Taste it, smell it. What flavors are you tasting? What notes are you getting? Then go ahead and drink it over the course of a week. Come back a week later and do another tasting and see if your impressions of it have changed. So if you'll do this with me, let's develop our palate together. Like to do that. Drink responsibly, and in the meantime, enjoy.